Hello students, this is class 4th A. Class 4th A subject is GSC and we are studying lesson 11 soil. In this lesson we have studied about the formation of the soil, how soil is formed. We discussed about the soil is formed by weathering of rocks. Weathering means breaking down of the rocks into smaller pieces. How weathering of rocks takes place? There are many agencies which help in the weathering of rocks. These agencies includes water, sun plays a very important role. Sun, water, wind, etc. These are the agencies which help in the weathering. And by weathering of rocks, soil is formed. Initially, it is barren, only the sand, and later some humus is added, so that makes the soil suitable for the growth of the plants. Soil is mainly of the two types. I told you clay and the loam soil. I told you last time, and also studied about the different layers of the soil. So today we are going to study about the soil erosion. Soil erosion. Soil erosion. So, soil is always being eroded by the action of wind and water. The process in which soil is taken away from land by natural agents such as rain, flowing water, and strong wind is called soil erosion. You see in the village the erosion process is related during the rainy season. After rain, when water flow, it brings a layer of the soil, so that it causes the erosion of the soil. So factors responsible for soil erosion. Factors responsible for soil erosion. What are the factors? So when it rains heavily, the water carries away the fertile soil with it to other places. Rivers also carry soil from one place to another. Winds often blow the soil away and deposit it at new places. As the topsoil is loose and soft, it is easily blown away by winds. So two factors we have studied. One is heavy rain, which causes soil erosion, and other is wind. Wind also causes the soil erosion. By wind erosion, this process is later than in desert areas, while in the heavy regions we see in the places where after the rain. You know that the rain, this erosion of the soil by the roadside, you know that by the winds, by the rain after heavy rain. So one is heavy rain and other is wind, two factors. Next factor which is responsible for the soil erosion is deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of trees, cutting down of the plants is called as the deforestation. Destruction of the forest, cutting down of the trees. Deforestation is also responsible for soil erosion, as roots that hold the soil are destroyed. Roots bind the soil. Roots bind the soil. So erosion is very harmful to our soil. Erosion is not harmful, but it is. Erosion is very harmful to our soil. It becomes poorer and gives scanty crops. Water and wind carry away the topsoil, which is rich in plant food. Every year, a lot of soil is being washed away into streams, rivers, and seas. So this is about the soil erosion. So in this soil erosion, we discuss about the what is the soil erosion. It is the process of the process in which soil is taken away from land by natural agencies. So what are the factors responsible for soil erosion we discussed about? One is the heavy rain, next is winds and deforestation, and next one is erosion. So next time we will discuss about this soil conservation. So thank you, that's for today only.